how to use dual screen on iPhone. So if you went ahead to our settings and searched for split screen, right, you won't find that there is split screen on your iPhone. All right, but alternatively what you're gonna do is you're gonna just go ahead and cancel, and you're gonna go ahead for iPhone users and download split screen on your iPhone. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here and to a split screen. As you can see, we're gonna wait, and as you can see right here, this is the app available for iOS. I'm gonna just go ahead and download the app right here, and after we verify our payment, or verify our Face ID, we're gonna just download it. And as you can see right here, this is the app right here. I'm gonna just allow notification and not to track. And as you can see right here, this is the app that you can use multitasking by using right here Instagram, for example, and going ahead right here to your Twitter, and you can use both social media at the same time. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.